You ever try to save money by not hiring an architect and end up with a staircase designed for NBA players? Like, ang ganda sa drawing, ang ganda. Then they start building it and suddenly you're standing in your own living room. Like, ba't parang kailangan ko ng harness at oxygen tank para makaakyat? We Filipinos, we love to say, nagpa-design ako. Pero when you ask sino nag-design, it's always, yung pinsan ng kapitbahay ng ka-office mate ko. Magaling daw mag-drawing sa AutoCAD. Then when the house is halfway done, the real panic sets in. Ba't kulang budget? Ba't may haligi sa gitna ng bintana? Ba't parang sliding door ng CR ko papunta sa kusina? And instead of fixing it, we just walk around the house like it's fine. Like, hindi, may charm. Custom talaga to. It's the only time in your life you'll say, sige na nga, okay na rin tong hagdan na pang rock climbing. At least, exercise.